Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to quickly show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and basically all we have to do is to simply find the battery. Let's tap on it. As you can see, at the very bottom of this list we've got the battery percentage option, which is of course currently turned off because we've got only the battery indicator on the status bar. So simply tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, from now on we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery right next to the battery icon. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.